Zombie apocalypse.
Welcome back to a new video. This is lesson number 8 on my series on how to create apps. So in this video of the series, I'm going to be telling you more on how to create apps. So to do that, you open studio.code.org pre-reader express or click the link in the description of the video. We have done all of these before. So scroll down to the loops section over here and click on drawing gardens with loops. Number 1, video. This is a artist intro. If you want, you can watch it, but if you don't want to watch it, okay, don't watch it. I'm just going to click continue. This is a new type of puzzle called artist. Play with the level and draw something fun. So here, these are your draw blocks: north, south, east, west, which has the artist drawing a line on them. But you can see we also have a repeat block here, and we have some new blocks: jump, north, south, east and west. So these blocks make your artist jump in the direction the arrow is pointing, but the artist does not draw a line. So I'm just going to demonstrate. If I want to jump north, for instance, and not draw any lines, I'm going to just do that. And now look, the artist is flying. And if I want to draw lines, I just put that in there and there. So I'm going to draw something like any random thing. Okay, north and east. West, north and so you can see I drew a square, but you can be much more creative and draw anything else. Like for instance, I drew this. It will draw a random thing no matter. It won't actually draw a random thing, it will draw whatever you put here. So then to complete it, click the finish button. And here is the drawing. Keep working on it. So this is the link where you can copy it and paste it anywhere, and then it will open your project here. Then continue. Then again, if you want to watch this video, you can watch it, but there is no need to watch it. So I'm just going to click continue because I will tell you everything. Oh yeah, that code which I just deleted, it will already be there for you. The repeat for south. So here the artist is saying the artist is trying to draw a line 6 times but can't get it right. Can you help? So here the artist wants you to help him to draw a line 6 times. So let's help him. Repeat 6 south, and then you fill in all these gray lines, then click run. So if you're wondering what the bar is about over here, I'll tell you on puzzle number 5. So this bar over here calculates the speed in which the artist will draw. So if I put it all the way down here, then the artist will draw really slowly. Just look. The artist draws really slowly. If I do this, it draws very fast. Okay, so let's read what the artist is trying to say. Then the artist draws a line 7 times to make a garden wall. Okay, so let's help him make a garden wall. Repeat 7 south. And the way I just made the screen bigger is like you mouse over here and you make it bigger, and so here you can see that there are gaps between the gray lines. So here we need to add jump blocks, because for every gap you need a jump block. And we also have a new set color block that sets the color of the ink that the artist is going to draw on. So I'm just going to set it to red. So this code will already be here for you, the gray code. I need to repeat 4 times east and jump. So that will complete the puzzle. Then click run, and make sure bar is at the middle, or else the artist will go so fast. Or you can just put it all the way at the turtle. You have to keep it here for one change. Now this code will already be here for you. It will be detached. So here, this is puzzle number 7. We need to add a repeat block and put the code which is already there, and repeat the code 5 times, because here it's written time to fix stairs. Repeat this pattern 5 times so that the artist can reach the top of the bushes, not brushes. Then click run, and then the artist is slowly going to draw the stairs. And done. So behind the bushes there is a beautiful vine of flowers. Can you climb the vine and see where it goes? Okay, let's climb the vine and see where it goes to. First, you see that we first need to move north and then west. So we need to do it exactly 7 times. Here, then click run, and then let the artist fill in the vine. Then continue. Oh, so this is one of those challenge puzzles. Don't you remember them? So I'm ready for the challenge. There are 2 ways you can exactly do this. Puzzle. Either you can go up, which is north and east, or you can go down, which is east and south. So I'm going to first show you how to go down. Here the code is already written here to go down. It will already be here for you. Now all we have to do is, let's see where the artist goes when this code is ran. So he reaches here. Now we need to move west and west and north. West and north exactly 3 times. Is already given there. And then repeat west and south thrice. Is already there. Then click run. Then the artist will finish the puzzle down. Challenge complete. So now I'm going to tell you the other way to go up. I'm just going to put all this code away right here, and I'm going to repeat north and east 3 times, and repeat south and east thrice also, and repeat west, repeat south and west thrice, and repeat north and west. Then run. Then let the artist finish up the challenge puzzle. Challenge complete, but from upwards. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, so here the artist is saying, time to head home. Can you fix this ladder using only one block? Go ahead, the artist get down. As we can see, we need to repeat south, west and south. Repeat 3, 4. Repeat south, west 3 times. All this code. And east at the beginning. That's how you fix the stairs. Not the stairs, the ladder. Okay, puzzle 10 completed. Let's take the short way home over the pond. Can you help the artist stay on the stones? Here we have to use one of the jump blocks because there are gaps here. Okay, so I'm going to repeat west 4 times and along with jump west. So that will clear the gaps. Then continue. Use what you have learned to draw a picture of what you think the artist saw when he got home. Here are some ideas. Really funny looking ideas. Puzzle number 12. Need to go east and south. I'm just drawing what I think the artist saw when he went home. East, south, west. Repeat north twice. And now it has changed. You have to type in the number. Repeat north twice. and repeat east twice. And repeat south thrice. South thrice. Now west thrice. Just going to close this pop-up, whatever it can. Now west 3 times. North again, rise, then north, rise, and now just east. Now I'm going to just run and let's see what it draws. Okay. Then this is what I think the artist saw when he got home. His window. Do you like it? I hope you do like it. Like it's literally a house with a lion onto the window. It's a little funny, but nice in any way. Okay, let's click finish. And here you can also share your drawing here. I'm just going to continue. Okay, so that's all for today's video. I told you draw garden scene with loops. So before you leave this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and if you have any suggestions for me, feel free to leave it in the comment section below. Bye.